Welcome or welcome back to Building a Better Machine, where we upgrade our skills one command at a time. My name's Desmond, and we're jumping right into level 32 of Over the Wire's Bandit Wargame Challenge. And this directory, well, this prompt reads the same as the last 4 or 5 prompts about cloning a repository, but we need to find the password. So I'm happy you're here. I've been away for a while because it was spring break and I took my kids to the beach. So I came back inspired. I'm not sure if you listened to or watched my last video. I went a little bit into my personal life in terms of finding a new job, working for Amazon coming up in the future, and things like that. So I'm jazzed, I'm juiced. Even though I'm not going to be doing what I would like to be doing right away, these guys have no idea that they hired a monster. Nobody's going to outwork me. Nobody's going to outwork me. I promise you that. I'm stubborn and I don't quit. So there. But I say all that to say that I'm a little jazzed. I have some energy. I'm excited. I'm going to continue to develop my skills at the off chance that I'd be the greatest cloud engineer, site reliability engineer, whatever the case is. But I'm here and I hope that you're here with me. So let's get started. We're going to start this the same way we have the last 3 rounds. And what I neglected to do last time was make a temporary directory. Make temp -d, and we're gonna see to that directory there. That is. There's nothing in there, so now we're going to clone the repository, which I've already prepared here. I did not verify that the password was correct, but we're about to find out. Password is correct. There we go. We're going to see the repo in there, cd repo. LS should be a readme, cat readme.Michael Douglas, file name, key.text, content may have come in, master branch master. This time your task is to push a file to a remote repository. So I know a little bit about this. Git commit, git add, git push, get hungry, get lifted, get excited, get. So where do we start? I don't know where we start. That's the hard part. Where do we start? I hear my kids upstairs, those little buggers. So let's see where we are. PWD. Nice. Less minus LH. Sorry for making that noise. Full disclosure, I know I get ignored, but I'm not completely unawares of Git 100%. I do know how to push and all that stuff, but what I'm learning through this exercise is that there's more. So the git tag I've never done. I've never used that before, but I'm not a developer. Don't really know when I would use that, but I know whatever's in git ignore gets ignored. Gets ignored. One of these days, Alice. So it's going to ignore text files. Can we? Even though the .git ignore file is like a do not enter sign, you have a secret master key. -F stands for force. All right, cool. I think I know what this is shaping up to be. So how do we, so I just add this, right? So it's going to be git add. No, git add. What am I adding? I don't even have a file. Is it the README? I don't know. So let's just create a file, any file. I can touch. No, how do I put? Can I touch a file with text? Writing textual files with touch. Def touch. All right. So we can do echo. Echo. Okay, I'm silly. It's telling us what we need to do. All right, echo. I'm not even gonna do that. I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna insert key.txt ls cat key.txt. This is the file they want me to commit. Clearly they have a script running in the background that's going to recognize the name of the file, blah, blah, blah. That's me thinking, breaking the fourth wall and thinking about how the game masters have created this. So I need to add this. I need to get, do I do git commit first? When I say I have a little experience, I do mean a little experience. So git it. No, first you need to add. It's push a file to get I just want to review this. I think it's add first, then we commit it, give it a name, then we push it. All right, so let's do git add force key.txt. Warning, the working copy of. I don't know what that means. Hopefully it doesn't give me an answer. This warning sounds super technical, but it's actually just Git being a very picky translator. The secret enter code, when you press enter key on your keyboard to start the new line, your computer puts a secret invisible character at the end of the line so it knows to jump down. The problem is that different types of computers use different secret codes. LF will be replaced with CRLF. Okay, this is the code used by Macs and Linux computers. Carriage return line fee is the code for Windows computers. So LF will be replaced with, all right, that's fine. Okay, I'm fine with that. So now I need to git commit. Is it telling me? Oh, what branch am I on? Oh, git branch master. Okay. Okay, git branch master. So let's commit. Git commit. Git. Hold on. What did this thing say about git commit? Minus. That's a message that you need to put. So what is commands message all? Obviously it's all. Automatically stages all modified files. So git commit minus a. And I know I said in the last one that should always put a message. So let me do this. I'm gonna do minus a for all for message. What am I gonna put here? Level 31. My kid is banging on the door. Guess he's trying to get in. So, one file change, one insertion, create mode. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Git commit. File change, one insertion. Key.text. Okay. It's created. I guess I'm pushing. All right. What does it say? Git commit, git push. So git push. We're on the master branch. Git push command. Let me make sure we're on master, but git push. Make sure I put it on the remote branch. Standard push. Sends a specified local branch to the remote repository. Git push origin main. Git push origin master. What the hell happened? Okay, so this should do it, right? You know what? I haven't input that password in yet. So let me do this. Control C. I don't know what any of this stuff. Failed to push some ref to. Okay. Well done. Password for this level is here. That is quite interesting. good stuff. This is good stuff. Wait, I don't need to do that. Let me grab this anyway. I'm just not sure if we need this. But anyway, we did it. I'm not sure why it's mad down here. Not sure why it's angry. Don't know what this means, but you know. Let's see what Gemini says. Let's see what Gemini says. You just hit a security guard at a GitHub library. Think of a hook as an automatic rule checker. Okay, nice. And this specific level of the game it's looking for a very specific file. If you don't send exactly what it wants, it will decline your push every time. But it didn't decline it. The wrong file might. Does this help you figure out what the security guard is? I just don't like seeing red, man. And granted, I got the password. Whatever. It's done. Level 32 in the books. And if you stuck around, great. If you didn't, I'm sad. But then again, how would you know? Because you wouldn't. Anyway, thank you for joining me in this fight. Machine has been upgraded. Moving on to the next one. Hope to see you there. Peace. Oh, that was really close on the microphone. I'm sorry. Peace.